Are you excited to get groomed? Or are you gonna be mad?
It's way too early. Just kidding, it's only 9, which is still too early. Lola is going to get groomed for the first time. I hope she's not too upset when she comes back.
My girls, the loves of my life.
Okay, I need to go get their leashes on.
One, two.
Good. Tinkle before your grooming. That was a long tinkle. All right, to the car. Molly's harness fell off again, and even though I use a no escape harness, not sure why it keeps coming off. But luckily she doesn't run.
짧게 하고 싶어요. 좀 긴. 이 발이 너무 Match from skin like this.
Hi, Lola.
예. 도망갔어요.
Going home with only Molly, I wonder if she's like, where's my baby Lola? She seems okay for now. Lola was really scared. I can't wait to pick her up soon. Molly's confused. She's like, where's Lola? She'll be back soon, don't worry. Lola will be back very soon. Molly and I are chilling on the couch. She seems to be okay. She's doing great. Jelly Molly. Love you. Sit. Good, you're already sitting, then you get a treat. I don't have any more. Two best friends in a room. They might kiss. Molly. Molly, pay attention to me. Okay, never mind. But obviously I wasn't going to kiss my dog. But her feet, they smell like nachos. I love smelling her feet. Okay, I probably shouldn't have inhaled so hard. I might have inhaled some dirt. What are you sniffing? What are you sniffing, huh? Molly.
Molly.
Lola's ready. Do you hear that, Molly? Lola's ready. Molly. Oh, that's messy. Don't show that part. Let's go get Lola. I missed her so much. I am completely aware that I put Molly's harness on wrong. So don't come at me for being a bad dog owner, because it is definitely, it's on right this time. See? Both arms in the hole, and the camera is slipping. See you. To the salon. We're coming, Lola. We're coming to get you. We miss you so much. Oh, oh my gosh. Lola. Lola. You're a brand new dog, Lola. You look expensive AF. Are you even the same dog? Are you still Lola? What if you're a different dog? Oh my god. Shit, I stopped recording when she did that. Oh, what are you doing? Dragging your butt?
You're so cute.
And now she can see because the hair's not blocking her eyes anymore.
Lola, Lola, look how beautiful you are.
Going back home. Inspecting the goods. Treat for Lola. Molly, I gave you lots of treats, but I'll give you one too, but Lola gets a treat. Wanna play with your toy? All right, one for Molly too. back home with the pups and they're very tired, so I think they're going to nap. I can't wait for Molly to go get groomed at the same place. I was waiting for her hair to grow a little longer before we groomed her, but Lola looks amazing. I'm super pleased, and I feel like I have a brand new dog, but I know I only want this dog and this dog forever. I think I'm gonna take them for a walk later, and then my family is gonna come because we're going to a funeral tomorrow. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! And my phone's slipping. Got the fancy shoes on.
What are those?
That's not your food, Lola. That's Molly's bowl.
No.